Hi friends, today we'll discuss about BG, bank guarantee. Today we'll discuss about bank guarantee life cycle with accounting entries also. Bank guarantee and LC is a non-fund business for a bank because to issue BG, bank need not transfer any amount to the beneficiary or customer. So these are called non-funded business. So what is bank guarantee? A bank guarantee is a promise provided by a bank through its guarantee to cover or pay the debit or liability of certain borrower in case he fails to meet or pay. In other words, it is nothing but an assurance given by the bank to the original creditor through its guarantee to take care of them in case borrower does not meet his her liabilities. So, bank can issue a bank guarantee to the beneficiary when bank customer has requested for a bank guarantee. We have three types of bank guarantees. Financial guarantee. These guarantees are generally issued in lieu of security deposits. So you want a 1 lakh bank guarantee, you will take 1 lakh deposit and bank guarantee will be issued. These are financial guarantees. Performance guarantee. These guarantees are issued for the performance of the contract or an obligation. Deferred payment. The banker guarantees payment of installment over a period of time. So in previous case, total amount will be given to the beneficiary, but in deferred payment case, the payment will be given to the beneficiary installment wise. What is the tenure for a bank guarantee? Minimum will be 3 months and maximum will be 12 months, and the same can be renewed on due date with claim period of 3 months if otherwise not specified in the format of BG. So automatically after maturity you can renew it and you have a claim period of 3 months available. If it is not mentioned on the form, then it is not applicable. Restrictive clause. This clause will be active on the maturity or end of the BG. In case any clause is mentioned, it will be applicable on the end of the BG. So the beneficiary is the one who takes the guarantee and the applicant is the customer who seeks the bank guarantee from the bank. So in example, Hari Krishna opened account with X bank. Hari Krishna obtained bank guarantee from X bank. Then Hari Krishna will be the applicant. X bank will be the issuer, bank guarantee issuer. JJ company is the beneficiary. BG commission. Since the bank is issuing BG with a validity of 24 months, the applicant means customer of BG is forced to pay guarantee commission for 12 months. If he has taken for 12 months, then commission will be paid for 12 months. If the BG has taken for 24 months, commission will be paid for 24 months. What is accounting entries posted for the BG commission? So it will be, for example, 10 lakhs 2% commission 20,000. It will be collected from the customer account and credited to income ledger. Commission collected from BG. Some guarantees will be issued on the margin security amount. For example, 10 lakhs BG issued with 10% margin. Then customer account will be debited 1 lakh rupees and it will be transferred to term deposit, and this deposit will be kept as a security against this bank guarantee. When a bank guarantee issued, contra entry will be posted. For example, 10 lakhs BG is issued, then bank guarantee issued liabilities will be credited and bank guarantee issued assets will be debited. If you see, this is the contra entry and this will be available both side of the balance sheet. It will be available on the asset side and liability side, and amount will be same, and one entry will be debit, another entry will be credit. Invocation. In case of invocation of bank guarantee, bank is bound to pay the amount of BG if the borrower does not respond. Bank will raise a demand loan and pay the beneficiary. So on the invocation, beneficiary will request the bank to pay the amount. If the customer has not responded, immediately bank will create a demand loan and payment will be given to the beneficiary. Later this amount will be collected from the customer. What is the account entry posted? If the balance is there in the customer account, then it is okay. Otherwise, demand loan will be created and loan account will be debited and it will be paid to the beneficiary. In case balance is there in the customer account will be debited and it will be paid to the beneficiary. Termination and discharge of liability. The bank guarantee terminates on the expiry of the BG or when no amount remains payable under the BG, or when the original BG is surrendered to the issuing bank, or when the beneficiary provides a signed release of BG, then this BG will be terminated. If the claim is not received within the claim period, then bank is discharged of its obligation under the BG. So in these cases, BG will be terminated and discharged. Limitation clause. The Limitation Act 1960 prescribes a period with which a suit, appeal or application can be filed after the cause of action accrued. The purpose of which is to discourage delay litigation years after damage has been done. The Limitation Act 1963 along with its revisions prescribed at a time of limit of 3 years for the private parties and 30 years for the government departments to institute suits. When an underdrawn expired BG is closed without receipt of the original bank guarantee, it is in the interest of bank to send the notice to the beneficiary to reconfirm the no claim has been received. This is the limitation clause available on a BG. So what is a notice? Bank will issue first notice to the beneficiary informing the expiry of the BG. So you have taken a BG for 1 year. On the expiry, if the beneficiary has not informed, then you will send a notice after 15 days. And the second notice will be given. Thereafter, entries can be reversed. So after second notice, if the beneficiary has not responded, then you can reverse the entries. So reversal entries is initially we have credited liabilities, now we will debit. Initially we have debited assets, now we will credit, so that it will become zero. Pre-closure of BG. In case BG is returned to the bank before expiry, the bank needs to refund the commission at quarterly intervals. So initially we have collected for 2 years or 1 year interest. If it is pre-closed, then proportionately interest should be or commission should be given to the customer. For example, you have collected one year interest from the customer and pre-closed within the 6 months, then we will return the 6 months commission to the customer. Special thanks to Mr. R.V. Krishnaya Garu for preparing this BG document or presentation. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe.